This is our sunroom, and this room has been the worst. The windows have shifted and cracked and lets in a lot of cold during the winter, and during the summer months, this room gets extremely hot. We called Jason Porter, the owner of Deckworks, and he gladly took on the job. Here is a time-lapse of the teardown and complete rebuild. We love our sunroom. It is exactly what we hoped for, and we can now use this room as planned, which is to start our summer vegetables in early spring to take outside into the garden in May. We look forward to continued gardening videos showing you what and how we grow. A huge thank you goes to Jason and his team at Deckworks for doing an outstanding job.